Hi guys, my name is Amanda Aryapagita. I am the owner of Interior Motive Design, and I have teamed up with His Capital Funding, and we have created an Airbnb short-term rental 5-bedroom magnificent oasis. So let's check out how it turned out. Okay, so first thing, when you go through the front door, there's this beautiful family room with a nice fireplace with ceilings that go all the way up to 20 feet. So the focus here was making sure that the walls look nice. So when you're sitting on the fireplace, you see nice decoration that hits all the way up to the ceiling. There's seating around the fireplace. There's also 2 swivel chairs in the space that allows you to keep in conversation with the family room, to look at the fireplace, or even turn around and take a look in the backyard. So the space is meant so that you can look at the whole entire house in its entirety from floor to ceiling. With this dining space, it was seated for 6, but the table allows an extension that it can go up to 8 to 10 people, so that if the gathering moves from a small group up to maybe something like Thanksgiving dinner, this allows this space to meet those needs. And with the tall ceilings that go up to 20 feet, we made sure the chandelier dropped down right center over that dining table to give that beautiful look. In the kitchen, it was set up so that a person can immediately start cooking right away. There's all the utensils, forks, spoons, mixing bowls, cutting boards, knives, everything is there so that once a person is there for a short-term rental, all their cooking needs are satisfied. So the living room is adjacent to the kitchen, which allows togetherness while someone is either cooking or dining. The sectional allows big groups to come together for TV watching or even game boards on the coffee table. All right, so for this space, it was considered the 4th bedroom, but it was converted over into a classroom slash game room, because for the owners that are moving in, there are 2 children below the ages of 10 that need it for a classroom. But as soon as the owners leave and it becomes a short-term rental, this space ends up becoming an office space slash game room space for the renters. And with the classroom, there is a desk for each of the 2 children so that they have their own separation and that they have their own independence. There's also 2 sets of drawers to keep their supplies, materials, and again, to keep them separated so that they are individual people in this joined classroom setting. So the loft is a secondary comfort space where togetherness happens, TV watching. So the area is set up so that up to 6 people can enjoy the space, whether they are just watching TV, reading a book, or even playing board games and just hanging out. The bedroom is set up for a girl under 10 years old with her favorite color palette of pink. Did a lot of soft whites to give that airy feeling flow so that she can enjoy her new princess bedroom. His room, with the bunk bed taking up a lot of the space, storage was essential. So one of the great things is that there's a dresser within the bunk bed, and also there's an extra storage space where we gave the boys an area to place their toys, their knickknacks, and all their games, and it's all hidden so that it makes the space still look clean. For the guest room, it is a combined space of a living area and a sleeping area. So making sure this space almost feels like a presidential suite, also giving an area for coffee and dining. That way, this guest doesn't necessarily even have to leave the space for even the smallest of things. Master bedroom was basically set for comfort. There is a chair in the back so that the person can enjoy TV watching either from the chair or from the bed. Thank you for joining me. Once again, my name is Amanda Aryapagita. I hope you choose Interior Motive Design for your interior design or home staging needs.